Start by drinking warm water to soothe your throat. Try honey mixed with warm water for relief. Use salt water gargles to reduce throat irritation. Avoid milk products if they worsen your cough. Steam inhalation can help ease breathing. Rest well to boost your immune system. Keep your environment free from smoke and dust. Try herbal teas such as ginger or peppermint. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air. Suck on throat lozenges or hard candy. Elevate your head while sleeping to reduce coughing. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids. Consult a doctor if your cough persists over a week. Avoid spicy and oily foods during coughing spells. Take prescribed medication if your doctor recommends. Wash your hands to prevent infection and spread.